So this is the girl parrot, the green one. The girl parrots are all green and they've got a green head. This is the boy parrot, who is, I guess, perpetrating a certain amount of domestic abuse on his wife here. The wife sits dutifully by while the red one eats, and the green one, and the mum sits there and waits and talks to me and I guess acts sociable like most wives do, wondering why she can't get something to eat. Oh, there he goes again. And the poor mummy parrot sitting up the tent. What shall we do? So if I shoo the red parrot away, go on, and we'll get the green parrot to come over. Come on, I've made room for you at the table. And here she comes, and she gets something to eat. Quinoa is a favourite food of parrots, apparently. It doesn't look all that big, does it? But they love chewing it along. So these are the parrots of our veranda.